So let me first start off with explaining what is SDLCs, what normally you hear this word in the industry. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle, or it's also known as Application Development or Software Development. Under Software Development, what we do is we start off with understanding the requirement of let's take example of a business. So if a business wants to create an application, maybe a supply chain application, it starts off with getting the requirement. What is it that you want to do? After the requirement is taken off, we go ahead and see what is the architecture or the layout of the software is going to look like. We understand the coding and development requirement. We understand what is the software, what languages do you want to use, what's going to be the development platform, and what is the skill set of resources that would be required. Once that's done, we go ahead and start the actual development of the software. Then comes the most important role of testing. We test those software. Once a tester certifies the software, says that it's bug-free, it's then rolled out to the end user to go ahead and have the experience of the software. The end users can be employees of that particular organization or customers like us. Once that's done, they go ahead and provide the required support and maintenance. So this is the entire SDLC cycle. There are various methods of developing a software. Most common or largely used is a waterfall method. There is agile software development method, as well as there is RAD method that's available. But agile and waterfall are the most widely used methods. Now let's move to testing. Now testing is a component of software development. As you know, as I mentioned previously, development and testing go hand in glove. So as long as there's software development happening, someone needs to test. Software testing lifecycle is making sure that this entire testing is systematic and well planned out. Here, like software development, we understand what are those testing requirements. We understand what's the skill set that's required. So you need to understand that a software has function and technology which makes those functions work. So we understand what's the technical requirement of that software, and we understand what are the functional requirement of that particular software. Once that's understood, we go ahead and start testing. So there has to be a test plan which has been created, understanding what part of software is tested when, who would do the testing, how does the reporting actually happen. So test plan is created, we create sample test cases, and then actually start testing that particular application. So if you see, this is a structured manner in which testing is done. That is known as software testing lifecycle management.